Hello, this is Greene at Sarchione Ford, bringing this 2016 Honda Civic EXT. This 2016 Honda Civic EXT is in excellent condition, both inside and out. Has roughly 41,000 miles on the odometer, so it's still under factory powertrain warranty. It's very well equipped. You have the nice upgraded alloy wheels, power windows, power locks, keyless entry. You have a two-tone interior with fabric, gray with a darker gray. You have audio controls on your steering wheel, cruise control, automatic transmission, heated driver and passenger seats. It is got the moonroof as well, and there's plenty of seating in the back for 3 more. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My phone number is 330-510-9613. Thank you for the opportunity to earn your business trust. Look forward to hearing from you soon.